decided that Bruce Wayne lives there.
Yes,
and
he's going to come out. The bat signal shines up there.
With only 24 hours to spend in Montevideo, we decided to do a walking tour to see as much of the city as possible.
we're on a free walking tour. We just went down behind this monument. It's behind this little monument here in the square. You can like climb down it. But they have this net because somebody fell. It's not the sturdiest of nets. It's really ugly. Very pretty arch next to a very ugly building. We made it to the port market. There is souvenirs and lots of food, which looks really good. This building came from the British. It was constructed as a Bolivian train station, but the Bolivians didn't have enough money for it, so the Uruguayans decided, hey, let's bring it here, and we're gonna make it a market. So that's why it's a market that looks like a train station that once belonged to Bolivia. And the important thing is they have food, so we're gonna go try some of it. A lot of food, yeah. Medio y medio, half and half, flat white wine, half sparkling. Cheers. I feel like it tastes like apple juice. It does taste like sparkling apple juice. Yeah. I'm okay with that. I didn't get it in Argentina, but I finally got dulce de leche in Uruguay. This building is really pretty, and the same architect built the same exact building in Buenos Aires. And apparently they have like lighthouses at the top, and the lights are supposed to be able to connect. But they don't actually use them as lighthouses. Or they use them on very special occasions, like remembrance or memorial. But apparently the floors are supposed to represent like the bottom is hell, the middle is purgatory, and the top is heaven. So it's a very interesting story.
That's knowing stuff.
Basically, we decided that Bruce Wayne lives there.
Yes,
and
he's going to come out. The bat signal shines up there.
I found my favorite store again. Made it to the sunset. We're the only ones who made it on the roof for it. We have a beautiful little like pool area up here.
Right in the summer.
Yeah, clearly it's too cold right now.
I mean,
But not too cold for ice cream.
Is it too cold?
Never too cold for ice cream. Had a great day. Did the walking tour. We had lunch at the market.
With all the meat. Good.
We went to the Alive Museum and it was great.
Winning today. Sun was out. It was very, very nice.
Sun's out, guns are not out. It's,
Guns are not
it's still too cold. And tomorrow we go to a ranch, so wish us luck.
Hey, people are going to be like, you've edited that photo. I'm like,
No filter, no filter. This is happening live video for proof.